Hi. Hi guys, today's just going to be a short video. I'm just going to teach you how to make some paper claws. First, my camera might be a little weird. First you're going to fold it like this. You're going to make it sort of like a triangle on the top. It does not have to be perfect, do not worry about it. It should look like this. Let me get my camera real quick. It should look like this. The paper should look like this. Then you're gonna make a house like this. So you're gonna fold from that triangle you just made and make it look like a house. Make it look like this. You're gonna try your best to try to make it like on directly. Sometimes the paper can get a bit weird and get hard to fold when you try to get the exact position. Don't worry about that. Just try your best. And once you get it, look like this, and then you're gonna fold these. Let me show you. You're gonna fold it like these for both sides. Let me do the other. So it should look like this. You should see it. You can see it. Then you're gonna fold them at the top like this to make it look like one triangle. Then it's gonna look like one triangle when you do this. You're gonna go like this. Like this. It should look like this. And then, now we're very close. We're gonna put it like this. Now I can already see the claw shape forming out. If you get this shape, it's pretty good. You don't wanna make it too skinny or else it could get a bit weird. So you might wanna go like this sometimes. Then you're gonna fold it. Oh, whoops. My claw's a bit big, it's all right. Let me redo, sorry about this, guys. And then you're gonna go like this, fold. Then there should be a little pocket, like right here. Then you're gonna get the paper, there should be a leftover strip like this. You're gonna fold that all the way and put it inside like this. Hold up, sorry. Let me just put it in real quick. And if it gets too big like that, like my mistake, you're gonna redo it. You can make it as big. You can make it bigger if you want or smaller. And then you're gonna fold it again, and you're just gonna put it right in the pocket. What I like to do to make so it doesn't fall out, make it extra goopy, I kind of just like smash it a bunch on that spot. And then you have made your first claw. And if you want to make more of these, you can just, and if you mess up, you can rewind the video to see if you need to make sure you get it correct. And if you want to make more but you can't memorize it, you can just replay the video whenever you want. Bye. Short video. Bye-bye.